Struggling with choppy playback and slow exports in CapCut PC? Let's banish that lag and unlock a super smooth editing experience. First things first, let's check your system's power. CapCut, like any powerful editing software, needs a decent rig. Head to the official CapCut website and find their system requirements. If your computer is close to the minimum or below, consider upgrading components like RAM or your graphics card for a noticeable performance boost. Next, let's declutter your digital workspace while CapCut is running. Close any unnecessary applications that are hogging your computer's resources. Open your task manager, that's Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, and look for programs using a lot of CPU or RAM. Right-click and end tasks on anything you don't need for your editing session. Now, let's optimize CapCut itself. Inside CapCut, navigate to the Settings or Preferences menu. Look for a playback resolution option if you're editing in 4K or even 180p with complex effects. CapCut might be struggling to render it in real time. Try lowering this playback resolution to 720p or even lower. This won't affect your final export quality, but it will make your editing much smoother. Still feeling the sluggishness? Within CapCut settings, you might also find an option related to preview quality or render quality similar to playback resolution. Reducing this setting can significantly improve performance by decreasing the processing power needed for previews. Aim for a balance that keeps your editing responsive. Complexity can also be a lag culprit. Review your project timeline. Are there multiple video layers, heavy visual effects, or color grading applied to every clip? Consider creating proxy files for high-resolution footage. Many editing programs offer this feature, where a lower-resolution version of your footage is used for editing, significantly speeding up playback, while CapCut's proxy feature might be integrated differently. Simplifying your timeline and reducing the number of active effects during editing can make a huge difference. Finally, when it's time to export, ensure your settings align with your project's actual needs. Exporting at an unnecessarily high resolution or frame rate can lead to longer processing times and put a strain on your system. Match your export settings to your original footage or your intended platform for a smoother workflow from start to finish.